Multilogin is a reliable tool for managing multiple accounts. In this demo, we show how to create multiple browser profiles with built-in proxies to manage your Pinterest accounts. Open your workspace. Multilogin provides a clean interface with drag-and-drop organization and hotkeys for fast navigation. From the dashboard, click Create to start a new browser profile. First, name your profile. Use tags and notes to organize profiles by clients, niches, or campaigns. Choose your Startup tab, operating system environment, and browser core. Mobile emulation is available when you need a mobile presence for Pinterest. Open the Proxy tab. Select residential or mobile proxies. Multilogin provides built-in access to 30 million IPs across more than 150 countries, ideal for region-specific Pinterest work. If needed, choose an ISP to make the connection look natural. Click Check Proxy to confirm the IP, region, and connection status. Fine-tune your fingerprint parameters. Multilogin includes more than 55 fingerprint controls to help your Pinterest profiles appear as separate real users. If you plan to create more Pinterest profiles, save this setup as a template. Click Create to finalize your settings. Your new Pinterest profile is ready. Click Clone to create more profiles with the same settings. Enter the number of copies you need and click Clone. Your profiles are now cloned, each with its own isolated environment. Let's launch your first Pinterest profile. A fingerprint test window appears. Check your IP region, time zone, and system details before logging in. Now you can create or log into your Pinterest accounts. Thanks for watching. With Multilogin, you can manage multiple Pinterest accounts without the risk of bans. Start your trial today.